did they do on a rainy night in Rio? What do they do when there is no starry sky? What do they do when they can't go for a walk? They stay at home and talk, or they sit down and sigh. What do they do on a rainy night in Rio? Where does a gay senorita say CC? Maybe the girl that will tender a kiss and I know that you can get when you beneath the little palm tree. Mississippi, where the skies are drippy. And what did I do when the murky Albuquerque? And what did I do in Tijuana when the weather turned tight? What did I do in Rio such a night? What did I do on a rainy night in Rio? What did I do when there is no starry sky?